Welcome to my channel. The video tutorial shows the use of signed multiplier IP block in Xilinx Vivado. First, create a block design. Keep the design name as it is, or you can change to your requirements. Click on OK. This opens a new design canvas to place the IP blocks of the design. Add the IP. Search for multiplier. Double click on this. This is the IP core which is available in the library. And these are the inputs with products. Double click on this to change the properties, like provide the A and B. Set the mode to manual. I am going to perform the multiplication of two signed operands A and B. I'll perform the multiplication of a 4-bit. So select the parallel multiplier here and provide the A and B width to 4, 4. Then select the output signal if you want anything here. Even if you can select the pipeline stages. See that this particular multiplier, you can set the pipeline stages. Right now I am keeping it as 1, or you can change it to 2. Click on OK. This IP is readily available now. You can perform the analysis and verify the outputs. For that, just right click it, make external. You can change the properties it. For our convenience, these are optionals. If you want, you can keep as it is. This IP core operates on the clock signal. It has two inputs with A and B. It multiplies A and B and we get the partial products. Once the designing is done, go to the sources, convert this block design into Verilog. Right click on this, click on HDL wrapper. Click on this. It will convert that block design into Verilog with the extension .v. The conversion is done. Click on run simulation. For verifying the design. Let me put this clock ahead. Right click, force clock 0 and 1. Leading at 0, trailing as 1, and period of the pulse is 100. right click, force constant. I would like to provide a negative value for this. I'm calling it as signed. You can select the signed magnitude or signed decimal. Click on OK. Similarly, you provide the input for this signed decimal -5. I'm taking the same values, then click on run for 1000 microseconds. If you want, you can see the values or product here. Change this to right click, radix, signed decimal. Observe that -5 multiplied by -5 will give you the product as 25. Minus into minus, it will become positive. If you want, you can give some more values and check it. Right click, force constant, -7, signed decimal, followed by signed decimal, -4. Both are signed. Again, you run for another 1000 microseconds. See the partial product. Change this to radix, signed decimal. -7 into -4 will give me the result as positive 28. In this way, you can use the signed multiplier IP block. If you want, you can change this design to 8-bit as well. Just click on this, change the width to 8, 8 or 16 up to 64. The range is given from 2 to 64-bit multiplication can be done. Let me click this OK. Right now it is a 8-bit.